Welcome back. Now in this video we will be working right on this method. Okay, we will create that method. So we'll have this comment before. Now let's go ahead and start working on that above the widget build. There we go with the widget build, and above that right in here we're gonna say wide, and we're gonna give the name submit form on sign up. As you guys can see, this will be asynchronous, so in here async, there we go, curly braces, take this down. First we will create a as well, so in here first we'll provide that key final. It's going to be non-changeable, so in here let's create that is valid, and right inside that we will just assign sign up form key, okay, with the current state, and we're going to simply say dot follow that. So if the sign up key right on the current state is that, well, that, okay, then simply we will just assign that right in this is valid, and it's going to be valid then. Then also in here we'll say if, and we're going to chat that is valid. If is valid, what we will do then in here curly braces, if it's valid, also right inside that if we will have another if, okay, so it's going to be nested. So in here we will also check the image, okay, the user image, okay. If that image going to be equals to null, if there will be no image, okay, for the user, then what we will do in here, we will simply show the show dialog, in which we will do some certain work. For now just remove it, we will add it just in a while, one by one. In here semicolon, and tag this down, provide the contacts to contacts, in here comma, take this down. Now provide the builder, in here we'll take the contacts and curly braces in here, and simply now we will return the error dialog, in which we will say please pick an image. So first we will go and create that error dialog, okay. So whenever there is going to be no image, as I told you already, that's why in here we set that to null. If there is going to be no image, then there is going to be that error dialog for the user. It will pop up and it will say, the message is going to be that we will write, it's going to be like something, please pick an image or photo. So first we gonna create the error alert dialog, okay. So what I'll do, we will just leave this empty in here, and later on we will come back in here. In here right on the lib, right click, create a new directory, and we're gonna name this directory as a dialog box, and right inside that let us go ahead and create a dot file. We're gonna give the name as error right in the small alphabets, guys, okay. Instead of space we will give the underscore, and then we say dialog. All fine. Now press the enter, and now we are on the error dialog dot screen. So in here we will have a stateless widget, so write st, and now we're gonna give the name error alert dialog. In here we don't need this key, just simply del this and click on the stateless widget, import the library material dart. There we go. So now in here we're gonna just create the string type variable. It's gonna be simply for message, as I told you already. We're gonna just show the image for the user in case of there will be no image. So in here we will create the string type variable. First we will provide the key, it's going to be non-changeable, so in here then string type, and we'll say message, create that. Let's create a constructor for that. So in here we will say error alert dialog, edit and semicolon, and right in there we will say required this dot message. In here correct the spelling, and also now it will show you the suggestion. There we go. Okay, all just fine. Now let's go ahead and we will just jump right in the widget build. Okay, right in the return. Now we will remove that container and we will have the alert dialog right in there. So it's going to take the key and we will provide that to key. There we go, and tag this down. It's going to now take the content. The content is going to be text and it's going to be message that we just queried above. And down in here it's going to take the actions. Now take this down, and right in the actions we're going to have the elevated button. It's going to take the on press event for now, and also the child. We will remove that and we will just add it in a one by one. In here comma, and tag this down. First we will put the on press event, and in here curly braces, take this down, curly braces. Now right in there we will just set the navigator, and it's going to just simply navigate the user right towards the welcome screen. So in here push replacement, going to take the contacts. In here now we will provide the material page route, that is going to be the new route. In here provide the contacts. There we go. From here take this down so that you guys can see it easily. Now in here let's just get the user towards the welcome screen. There we go, the welcome screen suggestion, write it and semicolon. All good. Now in here let's have the child, and right in the center of the screen what we will do, we will show the text. So in here let's have that text, and the text is going to be okay. In here add the const modifier, so the error line will be gone. There we go, the yellow line is gone now. So we create that error alert dialog, and we're gonna show that content in the form of message, which will be like please pick an image or a photo. We're gonna show that dialog, and right below with this text we will show that elevated button that we just created. Okay, so whenever the user will click on that OK button right in the future, it's going to simply navigate the user right towards the welcome screen. All just good. Now close that error dialog dot, and we will go towards the body of a sign up screen. Okay, that one. In here back to the return. So in here let's have that error dialog in here. We didn't see the suggestion yet. Alert dialog. In here click upon that error alert dialog and import the library. There we go. Okay, error dialog dot, and write it and semicolon and tag this down. Now we'll just show the message as I told you already so many times. We'll say like please pick an image, and you can show other message whatever you want. Now below this in here you just simply say return. Well, just fine. And right in the set state, since it's a stateful widget, so we will have the set state. It's gonna just simply change the result dynamically. So in here we'll say set state, and in here we're gonna just set the is loading to true. So it's gonna just set the process dynamically. All good. Below this we're gonna have the try. Okay, curly braces in there, take this down, and also right down below this try we're gonna have the catch. So in case of it will catch any error, so we'll have that right in here. So what I'll do in here, let's have that, and in here let's have that error. which will catch it. So first we will work right in the try, in which we will just get the authentication for the user with their email and password, and we're gonna get the data, and then we will create a reference right toward the Firebase storage, and we will create a new directory in there with the name of user images. Okay, then we will get that photo of a specific user in there right in the Firebase storage, and the data that we will get, like for example the username, ID, user number, email, and so on, we will get that data right in the Firebase Firestore, and also in there we will create a collection, okay, by the name of user, so data will be right there then. So we will be working right in this try right in the next video. Because this video is getting a little lengthy, we will work further right in the next video. So see ya.